Welcome to Tools and Rules of Living a Discerning Life. Today we're talking about Rule 5. So again, St. Ignatius gives us 14 important observations about the spiritual life. And Rule 5 is an extremely important one. In fact, some people say that even if you don't remember anything else about what St. Ignatius taught, if you remember and live by Rule 5, it will get you a long way. So it's very important to retain this spiritual golden nugget that St. Ignatius has given us. And this is what Rule 5 is. Rule 5 says that when a person is experiencing spiritual desolation, remember that downcastness of soul, that feeling of spiritual depression, feeling like there's a cloud just hovering over you, that you're not really a person of faith, you're not really a person of prayer, you're not really a person maybe that's pleasing to God. This is all characteristic of spiritual desolation. And when you have that and you're aware of it and you understand what it is, then you can respond appropriately. And the response is, according to St. Ignatius, never, notice how strong that word is, never make a change to your spiritual resolutions in a time of spiritual desolation. I'll repeat that. When you're in a time of spiritual desolation, never make a change to your spiritual life. Now, this is so important because it's exactly what you're going to be tempted to do. When you're in spiritual desolation, you feel like, I don't want to pray. What good is it to pray? I don't know how to pray. Prayer's not getting me anywhere. I don't want to go to Mass. I don't know how to pray. I'm not getting anything out of this. These are the things we hear within ourselves in times of spiritual desolation, and we never want to listen to those voices. Never make a change to your spiritual life in times of spiritual desolation. Instead, go to Mass. Instead, go to Samuel group. Instead, keep your prayer time. And in that way, you work against the enemy's spirit.